So we were talking about how a penny equals 1 cent, and then a nickel equals 5 cents. So if I have 5 pennies, I have 5 cents. But if I have 1 nickel, I also have 5 cents. So remember back when we counted, it's on this page, counted by our tallies, and they were in groups of 5. So we counted 5, 10, and then one more was 11. We would do the same thing for nickels. 5 cents, and then 2 nickels is 10 cents. Okay? So a penny is, and if this helps you, you can write a number 1 on all of your pennies. A penny is 1 cent. You can't see that on there, but I did write a number 1. A nickel is 5 cents. And the only other color that I have handy is red. These red ones are called dimes, and dimes are worth 10 cents. So, if I have 10 pennies, I have 10 cents. If I have 2 nickels, I have 10 cents. Or if I have 1 dime, I also have 10 cents. So when we count our dimes, we have 10, 20. Okay? So you have coins that are worth 1 cent, you have coins that are worth 5 cents, and coins that are worth 10 cents. There's 2 different ways that you can put 11 cents in this piggy bank. So I'm curious to see if we're going to have more people do one way or if it's going to be an even split. I'm curious to see which way you're going to use these coins to represent 11 cents in your piggy bank. All right, guys, have fun counting to 11, practicing writing 11, and using coins to add to your piggy bank. Have a great day.